this thunderstorm. You can see those purple shades there, the very heavy rain, and notice the height on these thunderstorms. These are over 40,000 feet in the air, so that is definitely a strong cell. Plus, the hail signature with this was fairly incredible. There's a possibility that there could have been golf ball size hail and maybe even larger than that embedded with the storm. So we're going to be watching the southern end of Macomb County to see exactly what happened as that storm ran through there. Otherwise, we don't have anything to look at as we speak, but we're still under a marginal risk for the rest of the evening hours tonight. They're out on the boats here on the Detroit River less than 30 minutes since that severe thunderstorm rolled through the city. 83 is where we sit right now. The heat index is at 87, but earlier today we saw that heat index hit 97 in parts of Monroe County. So for the rest of the evening, just a few of those scattered thunderstorms. It's not going to cover a lot of real estate, but anywhere that those storms pop up, they're likely to go severe, just like what we saw here on the east side. And then as we get into tomorrow, we should be dry for most of the weekend. The one time we're watching is going to be right down here on Saturday morning in our south zone. There's going to be a frontal boundary hanging out right here, but it's probably not really going to start to fire up till we get to the heat of the afternoon at 3 o'clock, and at that point it's going to be south of us. So as of right now, I think a lot of us, the vast majority of us, are going to stay dry this weekend. We're still going to be sweating, but we're going to stay dry. 70 degrees tonight for the overnight low. Air temperatures tomorrow at 87, and yes, there will be some humidity there, but the winds are going to be out of the northwest tomorrow, so it should be just slightly lower than what we saw today. Hopefully all these heat index readings are going to stay south of 90 degrees. South zone may touch that mark down there towards the state line, but otherwise it's going to feel like the mid to upper 80s in a lot of the area tomorrow, and there's a whole lot more of that as we get into the 7-day forecast. On through the 4th of July, showers and thunderstorms are going to be part of that forecast that you will see coming up.